Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome. In this video, we are diving deep into high-end retouching technique in Adobe Photoshop to help you achieve flawless professional quality result. Without wasting much time, we'll start by hitting on Ctrl plus J on the keyboard. I'm using the Windows. If you're using Mac, you use the Ctrl and J to duplicate your picture. Now let's create a black and white adjustment layer. So come here and we increase the red, you leave it there, come and create an adjustment layer, which is the curves. Let's increase the white, you take it up. Well, now we've created a black and white adjustment layer for it to help us see more of the dark spots on the face. That's the main work of the black and white adjustment layer. Now select the down duplicate picture and create an empty layer here. Make sure the empty layer is selected. Now come here and choose your spot healing brush tool. Now remember, sample all layers is checked, because if that one is not checked, nothing will be done here. You see, nothing is removing. So we click on it so that we gradually hit on the dark spots. The black and white adjustment layer is helping us to see more of the dark spots or the pimples on the face. So we take our time to remove the dark spots on the face. Please remember to subscribe. If this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe so that our videos will be recommended for more people. Thank you very much. So we'll continue by removing all the dark spots on the face. Removing the dark spots on the face. So we remove the dark spots. We remove the dark spots on the face. So now I think we've removed more of the dark spots, so it's okay. So we'll move on to select the two layers, which is the curves and the black and white. Then we hit on the delete button here to delete it. We are going to hit on Ctrl Shift Alt and E to duplicate the picture. Now we come here to choose vivid light. We hit on Ctrl plus I to invert the picture. Now come to filter here, choose other and choose high pass. Now let's choose a higher grade of high pass. All right, so 23 high pass is okay. Oh yeah. Oh, let's choose 20. Yeah, so 20 is okay. We'll go back to filter. This time we'll choose blur and come to Gaussian blur here. We're going to choose a small radius of Gaussian blur. So now create a mask on it here. Hit on Ctrl and I on the keyboard to invert. This time we're going to choose our brush. Your brush, make sure you choose a soft round brush. The hardness should be 0, and then you choose a reasonable size. So make sure your foreground is black, your foreground is white, and your background is black. Let's make sure our flow is way down to 19. It's okay. So we select this, then we paint on the model's face. So we are just painting on the model's face to get a realistic and nice skin. So yeah, you take your time to do it. Take your time. We'll use the brush to help you to go to the corners. Let's work on the body. Let's use a big brush that will help us to do it fast. You can see now we have a nice skin here. We have a nice skin. So this was then, now, then, and now. All right, so at this point we are moving to the next step, which is our camera raw filter. So we are moving to our camera raw filter. So here we hit on Control Alt, we hit on Control Shift Alt and E to duplicate. This time we're going to convert our object to smart object. Then we come to filter, we choose our camera raw filter. Come to our basics. We make sure we increase our contrast. We give it a small amount of texture, clarity. Then you just play with it for it to suit your image. Yeah, for it to suit your image. Let's come to details here and sharpen the image. We'll give it 20, 22. Noise reduction, and color noise reduction is okay. So this was before and this is 10 now. So we've given this some color or some exposure. Okay, so we hit on OK. So you can see, okay, so now we select all the layers, right click, group it. So you can see our picture. This was before and this now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.